Upcoming in this video, an introduction to the largest fully automated egg processing plant in the nation. Under optimal conditions, the hatch begins. This new arrival is the result of careful monitoring and precise control.
The growth rate in Pen 7B is exceeding projections by 5%.
And the feed conversion ratio remains up.
Here at the Mega Factory, our dedicated team processes thousands of broilers every hour on this state-of-the-art assembly line.
Welcome to the Mega Chicken Factory. Our state-of-the-art facility processes thousands of chickens daily with precision and control.
In this video, we examine the rigorous quality control measures, ensuring every product meets our high standards.
The shipment from Farm 12 is reconciled.
Good. Ensure the cold chain data is logged before release.
This is the scale of modern agriculture. Thousands of broilers are raised in these state-of-the-art facilities before processing. The automated sorter can process up to 10,000 eggs per hour with 99% accuracy. Here at the facility, workers meticulously sort thousands of eggs per hour before they are moved to the automated processing line. Here at the washing station, high-pressure water jets and careful monitoring ensure maximum hygiene and efficiency.
Here, the broiler eggs are meticulously cleaned by automated systems, a critical step overseen by our quality assurance team.
Utilizing advanced digital interfaces, our team meticulously tracks temperature and humidity, crucial for the incubation process.
The readings on the new batch are stable.
Yes, the sorting accuracy is up by 2% since the update.
Check the humidity levels on row 4.
Adjusting now. Looks stable. Check the throughput on line 3.
Flawless, exceeding targets by 5%.
The throughput on this line is exceeding projections by 10%.
Yes, the data aligns perfectly with the maintenance reports. Temperature and humidity levels are stable across all trays.
Excellent. The rotation mechanism is perfectly synchronized.
The incubation area maintains optimal conditions, ensuring a precise and efficient hatching process monitored by our specialized team.
In this state-of-the-art facility, efficiency is key. Workers precisely sort thousands of healthy chicks.
The sorting process ensures optimal placement, with each chick handled precisely before moving to the next stage.
Advanced logistics ensure every chick is accounted for in this state-of-the-art facility.
Here at the Mega Facility, Every single chick undergoes a meticulous inspection to ensure optimal health and growth.
Adjusting the humidity now to maintain the ideal environment for their development.
State-of-the-art technology ensures optimal conditions for the chicks, maintaining precise temperature and humidity levels around the clock.
The growth rate in Penford B is exceeding projections by 5%.
Is the automated feed adjusted for the increased intake?
Yes, the system...
The chicks are carefully transferred to the nursery, where automated systems ensure optimal growth conditions.
Here in the nursery, our chicks receive specialized feed delivered by automated systems, overseen by staff to ensure optimal conditions and efficiency.
These chicks are showing strong activity levels post-adjustment.
Agreed. The data confirms a noticeable improvement in their overall health score.
The feather quality here seems slightly underdeveloped.
Agreed. Let's adjust the protein levels for this batch and monitor closely.
Clear bill of health. All vitals nominal.
Noted. Batch 7 parameters updated.
I've increased the temperature by 1 degree. Look at their activity levels now.
Yes, they seem much more comfortable. The adjustment was successful.
The growth rate in this section is exceeding projections according to the data here. Noted.
The new feed mix is clearly effective.
The growth rate in this quadrant is slightly below projection.
Confirmed. Adjusting the feed mixture immediately.
The broilers are weighed daily to ensure optimal growth rates and efficiency. All data is uploaded in real time to the central database.
Monitor the intake levels on this row. The consumption rate is fluctuating.
Noted. I'll adjust the automated feeder schedule immediately.
Water flow is optimal at 20 psi. All dispensers active. The flock access rate is satisfactory.
Pressure is stable at 20 psi.
Flow rate looks good down here. Everything is optimal.
The average weight on this batch is slightly low according to the sensor data.
I agree. This one feels light, but the feather quality is excellent. Recording now.
Look at the feather quality on that group near the water line. I see it. They appear healthy and the weight is consistent with the batch data.
Please. The automated feeding cycle is performing optimally at 99.8% efficiency. Good.
Quân sang hung cột được vượt không bạch khá,ที่ซึ่งปฐมฤดูกาลเซ็กบินพดจำที่เสื้อทำสัพพัดลูกจาสูตุตรดแคนเปลี่ยน
We're seeing a slight uptick in consumption here.
Yes, the automated system is adjusting the flow accordingly.
Check the metrics on the tablet.
Ratios are stable. Nutrient delivery is precise.
Rationing appears precise. The growth trajectory is stable.
Confirmed. We are exceeding the target efficiency metrics.
Weight confirmed at 2.4.
Recording.
The factory maintains rigorous health checks, ensuring every bird meets the highest standards before moving to the next stage.
Weight is on target, 3.2 kilograms. Status remains optimal across the sector.
Check the humidity levels on the tablet. We had a slight fluctuation here yesterday.
It's stabilized overnight. The ventilation system is fully optimized now.
Using mobile barriers, workers precisely guide the flocks through the facility, a testament to modern, efficient poultry management.
Growth metrics are stable, but feed conversion is down slightly here.
Let's adjust the automated schedule by 10 minutes and monitor the intake.
Let's get a precise reading on this group's weight metrics.
Pulling up the historical data now. The current average is stable.
Quality check on line 3 confirms consistent shell integrity and optimal weight. The efficiency is precisely where it should be.
According to the data, this group is exceeding projections.
Excellent. These look perfect for the grading machine.
Scanning batch 7B. Yields are currently exceeding projections by 4.2%.
State-of-the-art facilities ensure peak production, with every cycle monitored by our dedicated team.
New egg at station 4. Noted. Looks clean and within spec.
Keep the pace steady on line 3. We need more brown eggs over here.
The eggs are carefully placed into specialized blue trays before moving to the automated sealing station, ensuring peak freshness.
Check the alignment on line 3. The output ratio is slightly low.
Adjusted. The synchronization looks stable now.
In this high-tech environment, human precision ensures quality before the automated systems seamlessly package the eggs for distribution.
Precision handling ensures the integrity of every egg as it moves down the automated line.
We're showing a slight uptick in speed here.
Good. The new calibration holds steady.
The labeling speed is consistent with the projected output here on the tablet.
Good. The error rate is still negligible.
Shelf 7, Layer 4. Confirm temperature stabilization.
Confirmed. Stack is secure. With millions of eggs processed daily, organization and speed are paramount in the cold chain.
The workers move with precise, controlled movements, ensuring the broilers are swiftly transferred to the transport crates. Precision weighing is a critical step, ensuring optimal sizing and resource allocation throughout the facility.
Check the throughput on line 4. We're showing a slight decrease in the last hour.
Adjusting the speed now, it should stabilize the flow.
State-of-the-art machinery and skilled workers process thousands of chickens per hour, maintaining the highest standards of efficiency and hygiene.
The facility processes over 10,000 broilers an hour, maintaining rigorous precision at every stage.
The automated system ensures maximum efficiency while maintaining the highest safety standards.
Check the temperature on line 3.
It's stable.
The integration of human precision and advanced robotics allows the mega factory to meet global demands.
In this state-of-the-art facility, precision and speed are essential. The automated systems ensure thousands of broilers.
Ensure the hooks are fully engaged.
Confirmed. Moving to the next batch.
Once packaged, the chicken trays move rapidly down the line to the automated wrapping station, ensuring peak freshness.
Next batch ready for crating.
Keep the line moving efficiently.
Our state-of-the-art loading system ensures peak freshness from the factory floor directly to the transport vehicles.
The loading bay operates with clockwork precision, ensuring the cold chain is maintained from processing to transport.